Controversy erupts over the construction of Murmugao Municipal Market. Fish vendors say they will vacate old fish market only if civic body acts on illegal fish vendors. With suspense prevailing over reopening of schools, UGC speaks about universities reopening by November. Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority issues notices to 52 structures along Baina Beach. Fishermen ask where are they supposed to go. Hello everyone, I am Leena and now the news in detail. Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said health authorities are going to start with antibiotics under the home isolation treatment. He said the patient will be given necessary vitamins also. Chief Minister urged people to contact health officer or a medical officer to collect a kit.
The Chief Minister was speaking at a function organized in Panji on Friday to launch home isolation monitoring kit. Present on the occasion were Health Minister Vishwajit Rane, Director of Health Zuze Disa, Dean of Goa Medical College Dr. Shivanand Bandekar.
But yeah, home isolation kitaच्या माध्यमातल्यान from the first day onwards we are starting with the antibiotic treatment. With दोन तरेची antibiotic, the doxycycline आणि iodometacin. ही antibiotic along with the all vitamins. मागे भितरले बाकीचे किट्स, बाकीचे सगळे मेडिसिन्स भितर आसा. एक बरें जातलें की त्याची फर्दर इन्फेक्शन म्हणजे पॉझिटिव्ह येना फुडें आणि हेल्थ म्हणजे परत तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सगळ्यांना रिक्वेस्ट आसा जो पॉझिटिव्ह येतलो पेशंट्स त्या पॉझिटिव्हान दे कॅन कॉन्टॅक्ट अवर हेल्थ ऑफिसर अदरवायज द मेडिकल ऑफिसर तो खंयसरूय आसूं आमच्या प्रत्येक PHCनी हेल्थ ऑफिसर किंवा मेडिकल ऑफिसर आसा थंयसर तेंच्यांनी येवन आपलो किट व्हरचो. गोंयांत आयच्या दिसा एप्रॉक्सिमेटली 3,500 लोकांनी होम आयसोलेशन ऑप्ट केला.
The Health Minister said Goa is the first state to launch home isolation monitoring kit.
आम्ही पहिले राज्य देशात जे काही आम्ही होम आयसोलेशन किट आणि कोविड केअर जे हा कोविड ट्रीटमेंट हे प्रजेचे दारार पावपाक हे सरकारान काम केल्ले आसा. हे सगळे शक्य झाले कारण मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंताच्या सहकार्यान आणि आमचे सरकाराच्या माध्यमांतल्यान ह्या तरेचे ट्रीटमेंट नवे तरेचे प्रोटोकॉल एन आयज मिडियाक मुद्दम सांगू सोदता की हे जे प्रोटोकॉल आम्ही जे हे केला जे आयज ह्या जे पावच्यान इम्युनिटी बुस्टर पासून आम्ही ऑक्सिमीटर थर्मोमीटर आणि डॉक्सीसायक्लिन आणि आयव्हरमॅक्टिन आज बांगलादेश सारख्या देशांत बी मॉर्टॅलिटी कमी झाल्या कारण ह्या तरेचे ट्रीटमेंट त्यांनी थंय वापर केलो. बाकीच्या राज्यांत उत्तर प्रदेशात बी व्हडले संख्येन हो ट्रीटमेंट प्रोटोकॉल सक्सेसफुल जाल्लो आसा. त्याच बरोबर ऑस्ट्रेलियाच्या सरकारान बी ह्या गेले 3-4 दिसा पयलीं ऑफिशियल तो प्रोटोकॉल जो हा वॉच प्रोटोकॉलाचो अनाउन्समेंट केल्लो आसा. आणि हे जे किट आसा ते किट जर तेजे घरा कडेन होम आयसोलेशन किट जर पावता PHCच्या माध्यमांतल्यान काय CHCच्या माध्यमांतल्यान ते पावयले वयतले. आणि तेका आनी एक तुमकां सांगपाची गजाल म्हणजे आयज गोवा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्साक आमी रोपीन केल्ले आसा. रेवती मुजुमदारचे हेल्थ त्यांचे सहकार्य घेवन मुख्यमंत्री ब्रीफ करून आमी प्रत्येक होम आयसोलेशन केस जो आहा आमचे ANM आणि MPHW त्या मनशाक फोन मारतात आणि त्यांचे सॅच्युरेशन लेवल कितें आहा त्यांची परिस्थिती कितें आहा हे सगळे डिजिटायज केले वयता. आणि आमकां आयज पर्यंत म्हाका दिसता आमी एक होम आयसोलेशनान धरल्यार 4-4.5 केस काय 5,000 केस जर हिशोब धरलो तर आमचे कडेन आयज एक 2,600 पर्यंत आमचे कॉल्स वयता. आमकां कळटा की खंयचे PHC खंयचे CHCतल्यान कॉल गेल्ले आसा तो मनीस जो हा रेजिस्टर जाल्लो आसा तेजे सॅच्युरेशन लेवल त्या दिसा कितले असले दुसऱ्या दिसा कितें आसा म्हणजे तो हेल्थ ऑफिसर जो तो योग्य तरेचे निर्णय घेवन जर सॅच्युरेशन पडपाक लागले तांकां बी कळटा की कोणाक कॉन्टॅक्ट करूंक जाय आणि आमचे मेडिकल ऑफिसर काय हेल्थ ऑफिसर ताका मागीर योग्य फॅसिलिटीन शिफ्ट करू शकता.
We have 37,000 cases. So cases are on rise and the home isolation would be the game changer. This is the only thing that we feel and this is also bestowed upon by expert committee. As a result of which we want to strengthen the home isolation patients by giving them a kit which will be at their hands length, they can monitor themselves. This kit contains pulse oximeter, it also contains thermometer, it also contains prophylaxis, mask, sanitizer and the gloves. That you get patients of only two categories. One is asymptomatic and the others are symptomatic with moderate to mild symptoms. This asymptomatic and mild symptomatic suddenly become severely symptomatic, and that is the time we lose this patient. That is the reason we want to give this home isolation kit, so that they monitor themselves and they report to the hospitals at the right time, so that we can save their lives.
Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panji.
India is reporting 70 to 80,000 coronavirus cases every day. If cases keep rising in same speed, then India could become worst hit coronavirus nation by first week of September. The rising cases indicate that the positive cases would reach 91 lakhs by November. However, the good news is active cases have decreased by 30 to 40,000.
A single day jump of 70,496 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In last 24 hours, 964 deaths were reported and 78,365 patients have recovered. India has reported 69,06,151 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and the active cases have crossed 8.93 lakh mark. 1,06,490 deaths are reported and 59,06,069 patients have recovered. Here are 5 worst hit coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 14.93 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Andhra Pradesh 7.39 lakh, Karnataka 6.79 lakh, Tamil Nadu 6.40 lakh and UP 4.27 lakh. More than 3 lakh cases were reported worldwide in single day. The global cases have reached 3.67 crore, 10.66 lakh deaths are reported and 2.76 crore have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 74.14 lakh cases, followed by second worst hit nation India 69.6 lakh cases, Brazil 50.29 lakh cases, Russia 12.60 lakh cases and Colombia with 8.86 lakh cases. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
There is still suspense over the reopening of schools after 15th October. However, the universities seems to ready to reopen by November. University Grants Commission in its notice has said affiliated colleges and universities are most likely to resume classes for odd semesters from 18th November. UGC said universities have to conduct classes for 6 days in 1 week this semester to cover up the academic loss due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic.
Earlier, the Commission had informed all the affiliated universities that the classes for all the students for the academic session 2020-2021 will most likely to start in November. The institutes also have to complete the admission process for this session by October 31st. Universities affiliated with UGC are most likely to restart by November 18. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the classes will be conducted in a blended mode for this semester. Universities will have the liberty to conduct the classes in online or offline mode as per the convenience of the students and teachers. Universities will also have to refund the full fees in case of cancellation of admission. UGC has also instructed that the merit-based admissions in all affiliated colleges must be completed by October 31st to avoid further loss of the academic year for the students as well as the faculty. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Government wants things to restart. To push this along, it has allowed the reopening of entertainment and theme parks from 15th October onwards. However, the things won't be the same as before. The visitors have to follow physical distances and precautionary measures. The parks won't be crowded like before as the number of visitors will be regulated by the management.
People visit entertainment and leisure parks on weekends or holidays. These sites are normally crowded at that time. The water slides, roller coasters, theatres, museum, games and recreational activities were closed for the past 6 months. Now, the government had issued detailed SOPs for the management of entertainment parks. However, entertainment parks and similar places will remain closed in containment zones. Here are the details. Promoting COVID-centric behavior. Follow physical distancing of at least 6 feet. Use of face masks, covers mandatory. Respiratory etiquettes to be strictly followed. Spitting will be prohibited. Protecting vulnerable people. Persons above 65 years, below 10 years of age, comorbid persons, pregnant women are advised to stay home. Employees with higher risk must take extra precautions. Maintaining healthy environment. Swimming pools to remain closed. Regular filtration and chlorination of water-themed entertainment parks and water rides to be done. Staggered timing and regulation of people on rides. Theatres to operate with 50% of seating capacity. Crowd management. Queue management inside and outside premises. Enough personnel deployed to monitor queue and social distancing. CCTV to monitor crowds. Planning to be made on crowd density during weekends and holidays. Online tickets to be encouraged. Tickets to be sold following social distancing norms. Adequate ticket counters to be planned. Creating awareness. Do's and don'ts advisory may be distributed at a time of ticket or printed on ticket itself. Mobile app or website of park must display preventive measures of COVID-19. Visitors should self-monitor their health before visiting. Visitors with COVID-19 symptoms should not enter the premises. Maintaining healthy operations. Arrangements of face cover, masks, sanitizers, soaps, etc. Adequate supply of thermal guns. Entrances to have mandatory hand hygiene. Multiple separate gates is feasible for entry and exit. Only asymptomatic visitor employees to be allowed. Face covers to be worn all the time. Staggering of visitors to be done in premises. Sitting arrangement with 6 feet distancing. Staggering of visitors for different rides. Restricted entry of people in elevators. Use of escalators with one person on alternate steps. Visitors shall sanitize hands before and after using rides. Ensure physical distancing in rides. Food courts and restaurants to operate with 50% capacity. Digital mode of payment to be encouraged. Tables to be sanitized each time customer leaves. Samip Narvekar for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. In a shocking incident on Friday afternoon, one worker working at the Kunkoli Industrial Estate lost his life due to ammonia gas leak. 4 other workers admitted at the hospital. Here's more.
On Friday afternoon, due to ammonia gas leakage at in-quality food processing unit at the Kunkulam Industrial Estate, a 25-year-old Kisan Kumar lost his life, while other 4 workers are critical and undergoing treatment. Listen in to what the fire officials and a local has to say on this.
आज सकाळी आमकां अराउंड 2:15 कॉल येयलो मॉर्निंग की कुंकळी इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट क्वालिटी फूड्स म्हणून आहा पळय तितून अमोनिया गॅस लिकेज जाला म्हणून इमिडिएटली आमची गाडी टर्न आउट केली आनी गाडी टर्न आउट करतकीर एक 15 to 20 मिनट्स म्हणल्यार गाडी थंय पावली आनी थंय चेक केलें की तेंच्यांनी ऑलरेडी लिकेज आहा पळय ती स्टॉप केल्ली आनी मागीर आमी पळयलें की थंय कॅज्युअलिटी बी अशें कांय नासलें आनी तो गॅस आहा पळय तो तेंचे कंपनीचे पर्सनल कोण आसले पळय तेंच्यांनी स्टॉप केल्लो आनी मागीर आमकां इवनिंग आयज कळ्ळें की ते टपारिया कंपनी आसली पळय तितूंतलो कोण तरी एक सफोकेट जाल्लो तो आयज सांजचो एक्सपायर जालो.
सो गॅस तितून लीक जालो आनी दुसरे फॅक्टरींतलो लेबर मेले.
दुसरे फॅक्टरीतलो ते टपारिया म्हणून इंडस्ट्रीच्या सायडीक आहा पळय तेतूंतलो ते रुमान रावतले तितून.
तुम्ही बाकी सगळे चेक केले आनी कितें लीक बी आसा काय म्हणून?
आमी जेन्ना विज्युअली चेक केले पळय तेन्ना थंयसर तशें लिकेज बी कांयच नासली सगळी लिकेज आहा ती बंद जाल्ली.
म्हण हेंचे कडेन कितें परमिशन बी आसा कसलें?
चेक करचें पडटलें.
हांगा एक फॅक्टरीन गॅस लीक जाल्लो एमोनिया गॅस क्वॉलिटी फूड्स आनी तो एमोनिया गॅस लीक जावन हांगा एक मनीस आज एक्सपायर जाला दुसरे फॅक्टरींतलो दुसऱ्या प्लांटांतलो टॅप टूल्स म्हणटा त्या आनी 5 सेवरल तांकां हॉस्पिटलांत एडमीट केले आसा. आतां द मेन थिंग इज म्हणल्यार हांगा सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशन्साचेर एक क्वेश्चन मार्क जाता. सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशन्साचेर एक क्वेश्चन मार्क जाता आनी हे थोडे लोक तुमी पळयला हांगच्यान आतां सोडून वता ते हांगा
तांकां वेकेट कर म्हणून
सांगला आनी ते हांगा आतां बॅड स्मेल आसा सुद्दां येतलो सामको आनी थंय पयल्या आतां ती झाड सुद्दां पयल्या ती विज्युअल्स घेतला आसतले सामकें जळोन गेल्ल्या भशेन जाला. आतां हे सबंद वारें आमच्या गांवां वता हें आतां आनी हांव मागता की कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंटान हांगा येवन हे सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशन चॅक करची. इवन 2 वर्सां फाटीं सुद्दां आमी जेन्ना एक RTI आनी कंप्लेन घातली तेन्ना हांचे कडेन सटन फॅक्टरी कडच्यान फायर सर्टिफिकेट नाशिल्ली. सो हांव मागता ते कोण एक मनीस एक्सपायर जाला ताका जस्टीस मेळचो आनी ताका कितें मेळचें म्हणून.
It is Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 in Kunkolim.
A controversy has erupted over the construction of Murmagaon Municipal Market construction. Fish vendors say they will vacate the old fish market complex only if local body acts on illegal fish vendors. Meanwhile, trawler owners say they will sell fish by putting a gate of fishing jetty. Here's more to the Kestao de Kofusao of Vasco fish vendors.
Murmagaon Municipal Council is preparing to float new tender as fast as possible to build new market. However, the fish vendors are not ready to listen. They said first act on the illegal fish vendors and then they will vacate the old market.
Monday meeting झाली with regards to Vasco fish market, construction of the new fish market. As we all know, approval सगळे जाला. वर्क ऑर्डर येवपाची आहा, 1-2 दिसान वर्क ऑर्डर येवपाची आहा. तेका लागून आमी मिटींग घेतली. Monday ते दिसा कितें आमचें उलोवप जाल्लें with the fishermongers, retail fishermongers. They also had some issues and the municipality also has some issues. So we needed to sort them out. First of all, construction of a temporary shed where they could move over there into that. Secondly, they had the issue of people selling fish outside. Pandemic time लोक विकताले, आमी मानताय लोक विकताले. आता जाग्यार गायला, they are putting it in place. They have also agreed that things are falling in place and फाल्यां ते आपले सोपत दिवपाकूय स्टार्ट करतले. And everything has been sorted out at the moment and we are confident that a market work should begin in the next 10 days. The MLA is already working on that. Even our Urban Development Minister, Milind Naik, is also working on that. Already, Amdaranoi instruction dila. Police also are working on it. Our municipal inspectors also are going. In fact, we have told the fishermongers wherever, it is not that in one day everything can stop. Because during this pandemic, people were selling at a lot of places. So, they were filling their stomach. Everybody was, a situation was like this. Now the situation has improved. So in this scenario, we are also working, they are cooperating with us, we are also cooperating with them. Hopefully everything, it is fallen in place. There are some slight teething.
We don't bother about outsiders. We are gone and we will continue to do our business. We won't stop selling fish. We'll see if anything happens during the talks, said wholesale fish vendor Pasha Montero.
टनांनी माल येता आमी मारगांव घालचो पडटा. हिंगा लोक कोण फ्रेंड येता तांकां दिताय आमी फ्रेंडांक. पयशांनी दिताय, दिनाय न्हू. बारीक नुस्तीक ना आमी. बारीक तूं विकताय तेन्ना बंद कराय आमकां. आनी काय ना आमचें उलोवप. पूण आमी आमचें चालवूच दवरतले. हे चोर पुलीस जाला धंदो. कोणूय यो कोणूय हें कर. आमी आतां लमाणी आनी कोण कितें म्हणटाय तेंकां आमकां लागना. सगळें बंद केलें पुराय. आमी वायटात. आमी करूंक पडटा धंदो. इतलो म्हाजे डिंगेचे माल म्हाका इको मेळना. म्हाजे कडेन पन्ने 3-4 आहाय. हांव ते हाडून विकता. तेय इकपाक मेळना. सगळे बोटकार हिंगा लायनीन विकताय तांचे. ते विकताय. धंदो पण आमी करूं आतां. धंदो करूंक जायना म्हणना. आमी गोंयकार आमी धंदो करूंक जाय. दर्यान गेले जाल्यार ते फिशरी येता ती रापण मारपाक दिना. ते त्रास करताय. सगळे त्रास करताय. सगळे कडेन त्रास आमकां. हें
आनी आमकां रिक्वेस्ट केलें बंद कर. तेन्ना आमी ताका सांगलें की आमी आमचे खूद बोटीचें नुस्तें विकताय आनी आमी अंडर आमच्या धोक्याचे प्रेमायसीसान विकताय. तुमच्या रस्त्यार विकनाय म्हणून. सो ते आमचे ते बाजारकाराक कायदो आमकां लागना. म्हणटकच हांव मागीर PIक मेळोंक गेलो आनी PIक सांगलें अशें अशें हांव की आमचे बोटीचें नुस्तें आमी खूद विकताय म्हणून आनी आमी गिरायकाक होलसेल रेटीन दिताय. हय आमचे बोटकारांचे हे पळय आतां आमचे बोटकार आहाय ते आतां आमी एक आमची बेश्टी मिटींग घेयल्या आनी आमी सांगलें की आमची धोक्याचे प्रेमायसीसा भितर आमच्यान विकूं जाय.
आनी तें सांगलां आमी रस्त्यार तेजे कडेन विकताय न्हू इतल्यांकूय क्लियर कर. इतल्यांकूय क्लियर कर आनी मागीर आमगे बाजारांत तेन्ना बरयल्ली तूं
नाल्यार वचपा ना बरें.
तें जावपा जाय न्हू. तेणी कत्तो चांगलो न्हू.
अजून भायर विकता नुस्तें.
हय भायर विकताय थिंगा हय हेचो आतां पयलो आतां माडी गोवन पळोवन विकताय विकताय.
आनी धोक्यार विकता ते.
धोक्यार न्हू हिंदू ते सायडीन आडगोंगराय सायडीन थिंग विकताय.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Vasco.
A death of a bank officer has shocked May village. Assistant manager of Bank of India May branch was found hanging in his branch itself on Friday morning. Police rushed to the site, conducted the Panchanama and took the body into custody.
Velmurugan A was working in the bank for last 8 months as the assistant manager. He hails from Tamil Nadu. He came to the bank at 9:20 in the morning. Later, other staff came to the office. They noticed the storeroom door was open. When the staff went inside the room, they saw the assistant manager hanging. Bank of India Mahe branch is in Mahe Panchayat building. Most of the Mahe villagers have accounts in this bank. The news shocked the village and they rushed to the site. Police are investigating this case.
आत्महत्या करपी जी व्यक्ती आसा ही असिस्टंट मॅनेजर म्हणून हांगासर काम करताली आणि ते व्यक्तीन हांगासर सडनली त्या शाखेच्या भितर आत्महत्या केल्ली आसा. एक सुशिक्षीत कामगार आणि जेणे करून अशें आत्महत्येचो जो प्रकार भ्याडपणाचे जे कृत्य हांगासर दोन आमच्या शाखे भितर केले हे बरोबर न्हू. ताका आनीकूय कितें तरी म्हणजे अशें सुशिक्षीत लोकांनी ज्यो आत्महत्या करच्यो न्हू अशें आमकां तरी दिसता. आनी अश्यो ज्यो भ्याडपणाची कृत्य आसा ताका आनीक म्हणजे दुसरे मार्ग आसले कितें तर अडचण आसली कितें आसली जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी ती कितें आसा जर समज जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी सॉल्व करून तेजेर मात करूं येताली.
It is Mahesh Govekar for Goa 365 in Mahe.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority has issued notices to 52 structures along the Baina beach. The recipients of the notices, who are mainly fishermen, say they have been living in these houses for the past several years.
GCZMA has served notices to 52 structures along the Baina beach while requesting the owners to be present for a personal hearing on Friday afternoon with valid documents showing the ownership of the structures, mostly belonging to traditional fishermen. The fishermen claimed that for the last several decades they had been living in these houses and that their parents had also lived there.
हांव झाला हिंगा काम करता हिंगा आनी आजुनूय असो हिंगाच आहा. म्हाका 75 वर्स चलता आजून हांव राबण वयता. रेमेश पेरेरा हांव राबणकार. ही नोटीस सुमार 20 फावटी जाली आमकां येवपा लागल्यात. आयज कितली वर्सां जाली नोटीस सोतायताय जाल्यार हांव फिशरमॅन कितली वर्सां पळय बायल भुरग्यां बी खंय वचपाचें. म्हाका तें गव्हर्मेंटान सांगपा जाय. तें आमगे मुगे गोर काल पयर काडलेलो गोर न्हय तें पांय रावन मेलो म्हूण शेपाय रावन मेलो. आमी सगळीं खानदान हिंगाच काबार जालो जाल्यार सांगाय म्हाका आयज खंय वचपाचें.
आतां येता म्हयन्यान 2-3 म्हयन्यान तें नोटीस आमगे येतोय आमकां जाल्यार केन्ना बंद करतले आनी कितें करतले म्हण आमी न्हय. त्या आड्यान नोटीस येताय त्या आड्यान दोरी सोतायता ते आड्यान हो सोतायता कोणूय सोतायताय. आमी कितें करून रावपाची केसली हितून रावपाची. सरकार आमी वयता तिणी रावपाची ना कितें करपाचें आतां. जीव दिवन मरपाचें सरकारान येवन आमकां मारून उडोवपाची.
Hiro Mahale for Goa 365 from Vasco.
The point where the Western Bypass and Naveli Road meets is going to become dangerous in future. This intersection junction will become an accident-prone area, and hence proper speed breakers and signals are essential, Naveli MLA Luisina Falero said on Friday. Here's more.
The Western Bypass joins the Navalim National Highway 17. This is the route from Karwar to Navalim. Now on Friday, Navalim MLA Luisin Falero said that this junction will become accident-prone area in near future. Listen in.
खरेंच म्हणल्यार सांगपा म्हणजे नॅशनल हायवे स्टार्ट जाता नावेले इगोर्जे मुखार आनी नावेले हो जो ब्रीज आहा ती काबार जाता. आमचे रस्ते एरकोणीन बरे आहाय फक्त नावेले इगोर्जे मुखार जो सदांच प्रॉब्लेम जाता तो आमकां सांगिल्लो आहा. आनी हो दुसरो म्हणटकच आतां जेन्ना वेस्टर्न बायपास येवन जॉयन जातलो तेन्ना हो आख्खो रस्तो वेस्टर्न बायपासा बराबरूच होय रिपेर. सो नॅशनल हायवे the works are in pipeline and जेन्ना आमदार जालो तेन्ना हांवें तेंकडे 3 मेन ओवर ब्रिजीस मागिल्ले. एक एट खंय म्हणटा थिंगा जाराम्या कडेन, दुसरो क्रॉसींग ऑफ कोलदे रोड आनी तिसरो हिंगा आनी तेजे भायर एट सायपें बांद आनीक. सो आतां 3 पास जाले सायपें बांद जारांबो आनी कोलतें. पूण ते पास मागीर जाले. पूण म्हजे नदरेन हे रस्त्यार जेन्ना हो नॅशनल हायवे भरपूर ट्रॅफिक आहा लोक काणकोणच्यान भायर सावन येताय आनी तेच बरोबर तुमचे लोक जावं शिशिनी वेली हे लोक येतात आनी जेन्ना वेस्टर्न बायपास मेळटा तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता चड गरजेचें थिंगा थंय एक ओवरब्रीज घालपाक जर तर प्लॅन केलो ना जाल्यार म्हाका तें पडे टू द नॅशनल हायवे गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया बिकॉज दॅट वील क्रिएट लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लेम लॉट ऑफ एक्सिडेंट.
चड डेथूय जावपाचे खूब चान्सीस आसा थिंगा.
It has to be 6 meter height. Has to be 6 meter height under bridge.
This is Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 in Navelim.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log in website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa 365 TV, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Goa 365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa 365.